This is a lyrebird. We've actually got one now right in front of us as it's digging and scratching the leaves, finding food. We're extremely lucky now. To be in this position to film this bird. So this is the Australian lyrebird, and it's a beautiful bird, and it's quite large. It is a bottom dweller, which means it doesn't really, I'm not sure if it can fly, but for the most part you will see it on the ground, always scratching, always looking for food. And as we saw before, when it sings, it's got a beautiful voice. It can imitate so many different birds, and also lots of artificial sounds, man-made sounds. Today there are lots of birds on the floor of the rainforest, so it's really good. And I know some people might be thinking, can you eat this bird? Of course, any bird can be eaten, but it's illegal. And in Australia, such birds are protected, and they're also a national symbol.